So hey, hello friends, welcome back to the video. In this video today we are going to see the first exercise of database system lab, and this is the first question. So first we are going to create a table customer details with the following specifications. So here I create, I think you can see it, like here I created the customer details table, and here is that table. So here I used like create table customer details, and entered the column name and their values. Like customer ID is number of 5, and last name voucher 20, and account type voucher 2 of 10. Likewise I entered all the things. Later, I made this account number as the primary key. So here you can see that alter table customer details, add primary key account number. So the table get altered, and I printed it, and the account number became a primary key. So the second question is create a table employee manager with the following specifications. So here I created another table which what are the stuffs given in the question. So here I created like create table employee manager employee id is number of 5, employee last name is virtual 2 of 25, employee mid name is virtual 2 of 25. Likewise, and this is the table which you can see here, and the same like the before question. Here the employee ID is a primary key, so I made that as a primary key, employee ID as a primary key. So here you can see that I made alter table employee manager, add primary key add primary key employee ID. So the third question is to add a new column, contact phone to the customer details table. So here I added that. So here you can see that alter table customer details, add contact phone, and the value and type of data type in that. So it's like alter table customer detail, add contact phone, and their data type and their value. So table get altered, then alter table customer details, and the fourth question is to modify the size of the contact number. So here I modified, instead of adding I modified this. Here you can see that I modified it, and the contact number is 11 now. So the fourth question is add a not null constraint to contact phone using alter command. So you can see here that alter table customer detail, add constraint. Here I added a variable. Sorry, this is not, this is like sixth one. Sorry. Uh, okay. So here is it, sorry. So here is the thing, like fifth question, alter table customer detail and modified that contact phone is not null. So here they are asked us to add a not null constraint, so here I added the not null. And the sixth question is to add a unique constraint, so I added a unique constraint, alter table customer detail, add constraint. Here I used a variable and added a unique constraint to a contact phone. So after this, seventh is to add a check constraint. So here I added the check constraint, like alter table customer details, add constraint p. It's a variable, so it checks like the customer ID is between 101 and 105. So here is the check constraint. Here they asked us to drop the primary key constraint. So I dropped the primary key, alter table customer detail, drop primary key. So here I dropped the primary key constraint. So now the ninth question is to truncate the table customer detail. So I am going to truncate table customer details. So it get truncated. So I am going to print it. So I truncated the values of customer detail, and now I am going to drop the table customer detail. So I am going to give like drop table customer details. So the table is dropped. If I ask to print again the customer details, it will show like object customer does not exist. So it got dropped and it's totally deleted. So this is the answer for these questions. So thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video. Until see you next time. Bye.